What's up, y'all? It's the Little Boy 2012. I'm here again. So today we're roasting is Steven Universe. That's what should I say, but I don't know about the story of that. So please like, comment, and subscribe on my channel. Are you ready? Let's start the video, shall we? Warning, this video is a comedy and violence. Do not watch this video. It's not for kids. Let's start the roast video. Nigga, 1 second, bro. The intro just started. Stop staring into my soul. Hell no. Crystal gems? You aren't crystal gems. You're humans. My boy Steven, I'm not sure from the rest of these three if they're humans or not.
We'll always save the day.
Always save the day. You guys aren't heroes. Calm down.
And if you think we can,
Bro, you just got starred eyes when someone touched your fluffy looking ass cotton candy hair looking ass.
we'll always find a way.
Where did that shield even came from, my boy?
That's why the people
Bro, wait. I was forgetting her name. BRB. The name of this character with that long hair and thin looking ass glasses, that's Connie from Steven Universe. And Connie, my dude, why you got a bigger knife? Why is that knife so big as fuck? Almost the same height like your body? Or your height or something? I don't know. Who told you to get a pet lion? How come that lion doesn't attack you? Pearl, lame ass name, dog. Bro, I'm gonna get out of here. Till next time. Get Scorch!